DJM TV. DJM TV.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Shegun Odwanyo. We are reporting live from the Lagos State Assembly Complex here in Alausa, Ikeja, and what the last 6-7 hours it has been in Lagos. Yesterday night when I was reporting from here, we had so many young men here protesting, but now as I speak to you, the whole place has been taken over by police officials. No protester is here at the moment. No protester is here at the moment. And it's a very dark day in Lagos. Emotions are down. Many are grieving. Morning, sir. Streets of Lagos and where has been protest, the place that has been known as the protest ground for the last 14 days is presently empty. You can see dirt everywhere. You can see trash here. Yesterday night, we had a live video from afternoon till evening, and this place this part I am working on at the moment had thousands of people on it. Unfortunately, for some of them, they got injured while they were dispersed by the police later in the night. Some of the protesters sent messages. Some of the protesters spoke with us. Not live though. Of course, we all know what happened at Lekki yesterday night. Security officials pounced on armless protesters, killing and injuring many. This is the situation here now in Alausa though. This has been the protest ground for 14 days. Today is the 15th day, but there's no protest as a result of the curfew that was announced by the Lagos State Governor yesterday, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu. This is the state of things at the moment in Alausa as I speak. You can see policemen everywhere. You can see everywhere dirty. Unlike what it was yesterday, some of the protesters told us that was in the night that they were dispersed. Actually, just a few minutes before we got here, some individuals, some youths, I guess they were on their way here to come and protest. Not far away from this particular place I'm standing. They were slapped and they were beaten with sticks. Of course, one of them did not talk to us on camera and he was not ready to have any form of interview with us, but we saw with our eyes one of the individuals who got beaten. Of course, the policemen are not going to be speaking with us. They don't have the order to do so. But this is the state of things here in Alausa. This is the state of things here in Alausa. The last 7 hours or 8 hours has been emotional for many people in Lagos and in Nigeria. Protesters have been killed. Protesters have been injured in Lekki. And immediately that happened in Lekki, everyone just thought it was going to happen in Alausa as well. But this ground that has been the protest ground for young individuals, youths in Nigeria and in Lagos to be particular, is calm for the first time in over 14 days. And many of them sent messages yesterday saying they were chased away from here with tear gas, they were beaten. And with my very own eyes, I saw an individual who was beaten here this morning. If you followed our live broadcast yesterday, you'll see that we had individuals here, protesters here, thousands of protesters on this ground, chanting and waving and asking for an end to SWAT and an end to SARS. But this is what is happening here this morning. Let's now take you to the expressway to see what the whole place is looking like as well, like we did yesterday evening when there was traffic and the youth blocked the way till 6 when they opened the road. But now, the whole place is a shadow of itself. According to reports, some of you can see officers, yes, you can see officers passing through. can see policemen with guns in the streets, walking around, patrolling around the streets. This is Alausa at the moment, but we still have some individuals seated. We are live.
DJM TV.